guys, sorry about the mud videos that we did yesterday.
Back at Monkey Joe's. Over there, boy, Monkey Joe's. Good job. Good job. What about that other slide over there? Great job, little buddy.
Yeah, I'm gonna try this. I haven't been on it before.
All right, where your socks at? Here, just leave them in there.
I haven't been here before. What does it look like? Hey, look.
That young cannon. It's a pirate ship, Tiana. Oh, shit. Here, go down that slide.
Okay, guys, meet me at the big giant slide.
Hey, Tiana, go down that slide again. I didn't get you.
Okay, now let's go to the biggest one.
Which one?
Over here.
Hey, Tiana, come put your shoes over here. Hey, go get your shoes from over here. No, Tiana, over here. Go put them in one of those crates. All right. Nice.
Now which one?
Let's see.
Hi guys. I'm melting. Help! Help! Yeah. I got the gear from here. Hey guys, there's a blue slide over here. I'm gonna go down and stay right here.
All right.
Hi guys. Now I'm gonna go down the giant red slide. See you there. That went fast. I shocked it myself a lot of times.
You all right?
Yeah. That's fun.
All right, what you want to do next?
Hey, do you guys want to see something crazy?
What's that?
This goes really fast. I'm gonna get dizzy. Oh my God. Stop. I feel like I'm gonna fall. I'm okay. Shit, okay, now let's go down this.
Going down this slide again?
Yeah.
It's a banana slide.
I'm gonna go down this one, okay? It's so high up here. I know the way to. So guys, comment down below which one do you think is the scariest. I think this one's the scariest because you literally climb up like goes here, not like and then goes there. It goes like here, like climb and then there. I don't like that one, but I'm gonna try it again.
Try it again.
Guys, meet me down there.
Gotta go meet her.
Out there, it looks like a drop. Look very fast. That was scary. I'm not doing that again. Never.
You're not doing it again. What about this one right here?
Okay.
Tropical Island. Jump higher. Jump higher. Use your old arms.
I can't do it.
You gotta jump higher. There you go. Good job, good job.
I go down the slide. This is a nice slide.
Good job, good job.
This is bounce. Bounce go down this slide.
Don't you gotta go this way?
That one doesn't have a slide. You just play
What
it
about
that-
this one?
Yeah, that one.
Good job, good job. Great job, great job. All right, what a...
Let's go that one. That one has 2 slides.
All right, let's go over there. Can't see you. I see you now. Yeah, I can't see you. Oh, there you go.